Let's practice the conversation ស្ដាប់លោកគ្រូនិយាយហើយនិយាយតាមលោកគ្រូនិយាយដូចគ្នាលោកគ្រូនៅពេលលោកគ្រូឡើងសំឡេង or ធ្លាក់សំឡេងសូមឡើងនិងធ្លាក់ដូចគ្នាលោកគ្រូនៅពេលលោកគ្រូចេញសរសំឡេងពាក្យមួយខ្លាំងជាងពាក្យផ្សេងនិយាយដូចគ្នានៅពេលលោកគ្រូផ្អាកឈប់និយាយមួយផ្លែតនិយាយដូចគ្នា Vichika and Sovan. Hi Sovan, are you busy? Hi Vichika. No, I'm not too busy. Why? What do you need? I bought a new bicycle, but I have to assemble it. I've never assembled a bicycle before. Do you think you can help me? We can try. Let's take it out of the box and see. We have the 2 tires and rims, the frame, the handlebars, the seat, the 2 pedals, the chain and sprockets, and a lot of nuts and bolts. I hope we can do it. Well, we need a number 10 wrench, a number 8 wrench, and a screwdriver. Do you have these tools? Number 1, assembling a bicycle. Number 2, handlebars. Number 3, 2 pedals. Number 4, a frame. Number 5, a tire. Number 6, a rim. Number 7, spokes. 1 spoke, many spokes. Number 8, a chain. Number 9, sprockets. A small sprocket and a big sprocket. Number 10, a seat. Number 11, nuts and bolts. Okay, សូមស្ដាប់ម្ដងទៀត change សរសំឡេងដូចគ្នាលោកគ្រូសូម complete change សរសំឡេងអក្សរ S ចុងក្រោយបំផាត់និងព្យួរឈ្នះទាំងអស់